Welcome to 78 Midridge Gardens, a condo-free family home. Not only do you get this beautiful yard space with gardening and room for the kids to play, but you get access to one of the nicest lake communities in all of Calgary. This is one you won't want to miss. Let's check it out. Walking into this home, you get such a great impression because of all the natural light. Great big living room windows and dining room windows welcomes you into the renovated kitchen, and it's just a great flow through this main living space. The kitchen is always the heart of the home, and especially in this home. You got it centralized between your living room and dining room, and the walls have been cut out so you get all the light coming through. And if you have guests, if you're visiting, even just for regular family life, it's a really nice open space. The pantry is a built-in floor-to-ceiling cabinet. It's deep, it's got lots of space, and it really nicely complements the rest of the beautiful updated cabinets. 2 spacious bedrooms and a beautiful full bathroom complete the main level. The downstairs basement level is such a fabulous space, and it will work for whatever you may need. Maybe you need a home office. Well, you've got big, beautiful windows that will let in the natural light and allow you to work comfortably down here. Maybe a TV room or a playroom for the kids. This wide open area allows for a nice big comfy couch or toys. The 3rd bedroom, half bath, and laundry room with lots of extra storage are a great addition. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful condo fee-free lake community home just a couple of blocks from the community center. This home has so much to offer within the property itself, but also your access and location. With your lake access being a few blocks from the community center and just a 15-minute walk to the closest C-train station, you have everything you need at your disposal. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like the video, share it, and follow for more. Until next time, keep it real.